What I'm doing today is I'm going to take down that light fixture and cut a hole in there about the size of a downlight. And then I'm going to stick a camera up inside there and take pictures all the way around so I can see what's going on. I want to check on the electrical, see if there's any water pipes up there. And the big reason is you see the columns on both sides of the room. I want to know how substantial that beam is up there, so see if I can set a water tank on top of it. So that's it. The good trick I found several years ago when working with suspended ceilings to cut a hole above a light fixture like that and use the camera up there and take pictures all around and make the job go a lot faster. You don't have any surprises. You don't cut into pipes or wiring, and you can check to see what's going on, put it on a laptop and sit in a nice air-conditioned room and check everything, label everything, and when the help comes, then you're ready to go and you can show them what's going to happen and work through it really smoothly. In this case, I use one of these tools to cut a round hole. This is a downlight size hole. By the way, never ever use this tool on an electric powered drill or something because they're really dangerous. But anyway, so let me put this down. What I do is I take an old camera, I put it up inside the hole, and this particular camera can be set to take pictures every few seconds. So I put it in the hole, and what I do is I start in one direction, take a flat picture, tip it up a little bit, take another picture, turn it about 45 degrees, do the same thing, flat, 45 degree, and then up. And this will show me any pipes that are in the way, any framing for the sheetrock. It will show me, like I say, plumbing, electrical. It'll show me, in this case I'm looking for some support, some structure, a cross beam. So anyway, I'll post some pictures on this and you can see how it works. But I've used this technique to redo electrical. It took me 2 half-day sessions to completely rewire this house, and the electrician, when he saw all the photographs all labeled nicely with all the wiring and so on, he thought I was crazy, never seen it before. But after getting the job done super fast, he wasn't so skeptical anymore.